Banana peels usually end up in the trash, but a ton of uses exist for this often overlooked byproduct. You may be surprised to learn that not only can the peels be used in the kitchen, but also in beauty routine. Check out these amazing uses that will guarantee that you will never toss out these peels again. Number 1. Polishing silver. Has your silver seen better days? Simply rub it down with a banana peel to give it a fresh look. The fruit acids work to remove grime and make silver look brand new. Number 2. Meat tenderizer. Want to make sure that your meat dish turns out tender? Throw in a couple of banana peels to ensure the meat doesn't dry out as it cooks. This is a tried and true method to keep the meat tender and full of flavor. Number 3. Compost. Banana peels break down pretty easily, so they serve as a great addition for anyone who uses compost to fertilize the soil. Number 4. Banana vinegar. If you are searching for a vinegar recipe with a twist, then banana peel vinegar may just do the trick. The vinegar is slightly bitter and sour, but with a sweet undertone that sets it apart from regular vinegar recipes. It's a tasty addition to a salad. Number 5. Helps reduce the appearance of bruises. The clumsy people of the world will love this banana peel hack. If you rub a banana peel over a bruise, it will help reduce its size and appearance. You can get results faster if you leave the banana peel on the bruise overnight. Number 6. Reduces acne. Banana peels can help ward off acne. Banana peels contain lutein and other vitamins that help fight acne breakout. Just rub it over your face and allow it to sit overnight for the best results. Number 7. Wart removal. Wart removal is made easy with banana peels. Just cover the area with a banana peel and secure it with a bandage. Leave it overnight, and in the morning you will see an obvious size reduction. Continue until the wart is gone. Number 8. Splinter removal. Removing a splinter is never a lot of fun, but with banana peels, it's not only easy but painless. If you cover the splinter with a banana peel, cover with medical tape, and leave it in place for a few hours, the enzymes in the peel will soften the skin and make it easier to take out the splinter. Number 9. Shine shoes. Leather shoes can definitely look pretty bleak after a few months of use. You can bring those shoes back to life by rubbing them with a banana peel. Number 10. Whiten teeth. Banana peels can effectively remove stains from your teeth. Rub the peels over your teeth and gums 1 or 2 times a day for a few weeks. You will notice that your smile is much brighter. Number 11. Removes pests from the garden. If you have pests in the garden, especially aphids, the banana peels are your friend. You can either shred the peels and scatter them around your garden, or simply bury them underground for the best results. Number 12. Itch relief. Banana peels work to reduce itching from insect bites and even poison ivy. Rub the impacted area with the peel and allow the soothing properties to go to work. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye!